to the ancients, carbon is arguably the most important element on the planet. Carbon is the basis of all life.
Did you know? The word carbon comes from the Latin word carbo, meaning coal.
In nature, pure carbon can be found in three forms, or allotropes: graphite, diamond, and Buckminster fullerenes. As you can see, the physical properties of carbon exhibit great variation. It can be hard and transparent, or brittle and opaque.
The thing about carbon is that it's everywhere!
Carbon is in all these things, not as diamonds or graphite, but in compounds with other elements. You see, carbon can form stable covalent bonds with almost anything. In fact, carbon makes life on Earth possible. Carbon is the foundation of all organic compounds. Here are just a few of them. So carbon is everywhere, but what exactly is carbon?
Well, carbon is the sixth element on the periodic table. That means its atomic number is 6. Carbon's elemental symbol is C, and its atomic mass is 12.011. Carbon is in group 4A, in period 2. Now let's look at a carbon atom. This is the nucleus of a carbon atom. It has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. 6 electrons are flying around outside the nucleus as well. This isotope is called carbon-12 because there are 12 nucleons. Another less common isotope is carbon-13, which has 7 neutrons. The last isotope, carbon-14, is radioactive and only accounts for a very small percentage of all carbon.
Ever use one of these? Then you're depending on carbon.
If you're using electricity right now, and since you're watching this video, you are, it probably came from Indianapolis Power and Light, an energy company that serves the greater Indianapolis region. IPL burns coal for fuel, and coal is mostly carbon. One of IPL's stations is just off Harding Street. Chances are you have seen this on the horizon as you're driving down Banta. Here's an aerial view of the same station. What's that black thing? Coal. A lot of coal.
So, what have we learned? Well, we know that carbon is one of the few elements known since antiquity. We know where the name came from. We know how it's found in nature and what it looks like. We know that carbon is everywhere since it's a key component in all living things. We've seen some of the compounds it forms. We've seen its basic stats and what it's made of. We've even seen one of its most common and important uses. I hope you got something from this video. I know I did.